This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the passenger's seat, then unclip and remove the cover from over the battery. In order to prevent the anti-theft alarm from sounding and the vehicle being immobilized, turn the ignition switch to position 2, then to position 0. Remove the ignition key and disconnect the battery negative lead within 15 seconds. Slacken the nut and, using a twisting motion, pull the negative clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift the insulation cap, slacken the nut, and pull the positive clamp from the terminal. Slacken the nuts and move the battery hold-down clamp rearwards. Lift the battery from place. Maneuver the battery into position, ensuring the negative terminal is towards the outside of the vehicle. Position the hold-down clamp over the upper rear edge of the battery. Then securely tighten the retaining nuts. Check that the battery is securely held. Press the positive clamp firmly onto the battery positive terminal. Tighten the retaining nut and fold down the insulation cap. Refit the negative clamp to the battery terminal and tighten the retaining nut. Check the clamps are secure. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the battery cover and lock the retaining clip. Press the seat cushion down into the clips.